When you release a design to manufacturing, additional documentation for manufacturing, assembly or testing is required. These drawing details here need to be configured and are often a scaled-up view of a particular area. Drawing View Manager allows you to define drawing view items. The detail can easily be captured as a rectangle or as a circle. An optional title can be specified and displayed in the drawing. Scale factor, mirror geometry, rotation and other parameters of each detail are specified in the panel on the right-hand side. When a drawing detail has been captured and placed, its appearance can still be changed by parameters. For example, changing the scale factor from 4 to 3 will regenerate the drawing detail. Once the drawing detail has been created, all information about objects, layers, selection windows, scaling, etc. will be stored in the database. If the master PCB changes, the only thing you need to do is to relaunch the application and press the Update All button. For standardized documentation, user-editable templates can be used to select a predefined view and place them into a documentation frame. Multiple template details can be selected once and placed one by one. For more tips to increase your PCB design productivity, visit our website at FlowCAD.com.